Ka jingilang kenhun menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kalarai ban Pynhiar dore ko umphniang petrol bat diesel hakanong ba Shillong nadu ka step kan riutrik na wieng arajar arpuai. Haba pentip ya kania kilat patai kebor din ke jelang usembut mitrang ba ke jela ba purstun tensong ulong ba ke dor thmai ka petrol kanlong kandai pulai tingka kandai puai na ya shilitar bat ke dor thmai ke diesel kanlong praphu tengga san penyo na ya shilitar. Ulong ba ke jingdu pisa ke jela da kani ke Pynhiar dore ko.
Then the second agenda, which is very, very important, is relating to the price of petrol and diesel. As you are all aware, that Government of India has reduced the excise duty of petrol and diesel product in the whole country. So the state government also in line with the advice from the Government of India has taken a decision that further reduction on price of petrol and price of diesel has to be implemented immediately from the midnight of tonight. Means early 6th, today's 5th, right? Early 6th from 12:001, new rate will be in place from tonight. Okay. The tax reduction, as you are all aware, till today, the government of Meghalaya has reduced the tax to 20% on 20% on petrol and 12% on diesel. So today we have reduced the taxed percentage from 20% on petrol to 13.5%. From 20% to 13.5% per litre of petrol, and also from 12% on diesel, it has been reduced to 5% per litre. From 12% to 5% per litre on diesel and 20% to 13.5% on petrol. Means after reduction, the price of petrol comes to 94.58, and in Meghalaya, Pynhiar, it comes to 92.38 paisa, and in Shillong, it comes to 93.91 paisa. Then on diesel, in Assam, Guwahati, the price of diesel is 81.29 per litre, whereas after the decision taken by the state government this evening, the price of diesel in Meghalaya, Pynhiar sector, it comes to 79.41 per litre, and in Shillong, it comes to 80.57 per litre. So the total relief of the price of petrol comes to 10.95 per litre. 10 rupees 0.95 per litre in Pynhiar and 11.08 in Shillong. And on diesel, the total relief is 16.67, the entire state of Meghalaya.